7-minute abs is a workout I made up back in the 10th grade, but however, it is still super effective and I still do it today. It is a great workout. It consists of 6 different workouts, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off for each workout. That 10-second rest is so small that it's basically you just getting ready for the next thing. This is gonna be a follow along video, so just do it as I do it. I'll explain the next workout in between that 10 seconds. Let's waste no more time and get right into it. All right, so the first workout is gonna be a plank. All right, so let's get in our plank position and we're gonna start in 5, 4, 3, 2, here we go. Remember, try to keep that body flat, right? And we're just gonna hold. Remember to control your breathing, right? Get that oxygen into your muscles, get rid of that lactic acid, it's gonna burn that much less. Keep on breathing, 3, 2, and 1. All right, now we're gonna go down, we're gonna flip around, we're gonna do crunches, all right? So we're gonna have our legs up for this one, and we're just gonna crunch up. All right, 3, 2, here we go. Ten more seconds. And 3, 2, and 1, break. All right, the next thing we're gonna do a leg lift hold. So for our more advanced folks out there, you can have your hands above your head. If you're intermediate, hands at your side. You beginners underneath your butt. Here we go. Go. Remember to breathe. In 3, 2, and 1, and down. All right, so our next workout is gonna be Russian twists. All right, so we're gonna sit up for this one, keep our legs up, we're just gonna tap each side. 3, 2, here we go. You can do this with a weight if you'd like to make it harder. In 3, 2, 1, good. All right, so next we're gonna do is heel touches, all right? So we're gonna lay back as if we're doing a sit-up. We're just gonna touch each heel. The further your heels are away from your butt, the harder it's gonna be. You have to reach more. Here we go. Remember, try to keep the top of your back up off the ground and really get that crunch in your abs. That is what is gonna make us burn. In 3, 2, and 1, awesome. So our last workout of this series is V-ups, all right? So we're gonna go all the way down, all the way up, really try to touch our toes at the top and get the top of our back off the ground. 3, 2, here we go. Three, 2, and 1. All right, so that's round 1. We're gonna circle it back. We're gonna repeat it one more time. All right, we're gonna start back at our plank. 3, 2, and 1, here we go. So this round, we're gonna change up a few of the workouts. Most of them are gonna be the same though. The beauty about this workout is you could really pick any 6 ab workouts you want and do the same time interval. You do it for 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. 3, 2, and 1. All right, so this is gonna be one of the workouts that we're gonna change. Instead of doing crunches, we're gonna do bicycle kicks. So opposite knee to elbow, right? 3, 2, 1. Always remember to breathe. Full extension on those legs. Almost there. In 3, 2, and 1. Good. Whew. All right, feeling the burn now. Now instead of leg lifts, we're gonna do flutters. All right, so we're just gonna point our toes and go up and down, nice, slow, and controlled. 3, 2, 1. If you need to put your hands underneath your butt for this, you're more than welcome to. You don't have to go too fast with these. I see a lot of people go, real fast, real high. All you gotta do is keep it low. It's nice, slow, and controlled. You will feel it even more. 3, 2, and 1. All right. Next one's gonna be our Russian twists, all right? In 3, 2, 1. Just tap each side. All right, we already did these. Like I said, you could use a weight if you want to make it harder. In 3, 2, and 1. All right, next we're gonna do our heel touches. All right, breathe. Take a second here. 3, 2, 1. Just tapping each heel. Really make sure that top of your back is up. Crunch those abs. Three, 2, and good. All right, so instead of doing V-ups this time, we're gonna do toe touches. So we're gonna keep our feet up, have our hands above our head. We're gonna go and try to touch our toes, getting the top of our back up. 3, 2, here we go. In 3, 2, good. All right, our last thing to complete these 7-minute abs is we're gonna hold for a full minute, all right? Hold the plank for a full minute. In 3, 2, here we go, guys. All right, this is our last thing for abs. So like I said, I call this 7-minute abs. However, it could be 10-minute abs if you just add another round. So 6 workouts takes you to 3 minutes, right? We did a total of 12 workouts, even though we repeated some of them. And that brought us to 6 minutes. We're ending with a minute plank. That's bringing us to 7 minutes. If you did it 3 times, bring it to 9 minutes. You end with a minute plank, bring it to 10. All right, breathe it out. Get the oxygen to your stomach. You got sucking in with your stomach. Stay flat though, right? Breathe. Get rid of that lactic acid by getting oxygen to your muscles. That's what makes us sore the next day. You get rid of that, won't burn as bad. It's like laughing. When you're laughing really hard and it burns, you take in that oxygen, doesn't burn as much anymore. All right, so breathe. Only got another 10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, squeeze, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That is our 7-minute abs, everyone. All right, so like I said, it's an amazing workout. You could turn it into 10-minute abs. Hell, you could even turn it into 13-minute abs if you want to get crazy. But do that workout, you do that every day, I promise you will get abs. Like I said, you can change up the workouts to your liking. I like those, I think that's a good bunch. However, change them up, switch it up, feel it out. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, 7-minute abs.